Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I went shopping at Dollar Tree, so I'm going to show you all the little goodies. Before I show you what I purchased at Dollar Tree, I did a little side shopping at Walmart. I was in there really quick and I saw these really cute fat quarters with owls on them. And I thought that this would be really cute in some fall project. So if you've been in Walmart or you're going to be going there, check out the fabric section there and the craft section and see if you can get these. You might even be able to find some Halloween ones. When I was in the store, I noticed that they had a lot more fall items in there than they did the week before. But they also had just a very tiny amount of Christmas. And I picked up these Christmas gift bags. Aren't these really pretty? These are the only ones that they had, were this particular color. So if you think you're out of gift bags, check out the Dollar Tree, because these are actually really nice bags. This is a little wall hanging or something you can put on your front door. And it's an owl. And you can probably paint it and put a little saying on it, or I don't know, whatever. I don't do any painting. But when I looked at this, this makes a great template to make other items. So you could trace around the outer edge of this, and then you could trace around these the wings and the eyes and the nose, and you can create a little project. So let me show you an example of what I mean. Here is an owl pillow I made last year, and this is a combination of using felt and other cotton fabrics. You could take that owl template, this one here that I just showed you, and you could create a pillow out of it. These are maple leaves, and I love getting things like this. Again, I'm probably not going to paint it. I might use it in a project. But again, if you trace around it, you have a nice template. So there's two different styles here, and you can do a lot. And you can even trace around these little smaller items and create projects. So before you start painting these or doing whatever you're going to do to them, trace around them first and file it away so you can use it as a template. So let me show you an example. This is a fall themed pillow, and I didn't draw these leaves. I traced around some other templates that I had that were about this size. I think I traced it off of fabric. So if I see something on a piece of fabric that's large enough, I can trace around it and create a nice little fall pillow. So think about some of those items you find at Dollar Tree that you can use as templates. As soon as I saw this wooden turkey, the first thing that came through my mind was table runner. You could trace around this and applique it onto a long table runner. You could put it at each end, and I just thought that this was so cool. Again, Dollar Tree, $1.25. These are craft kits, and not only are these great for an adult to do, but also for children or your grandchildren. But if you're going to give them to children, make sure you trace around each of these pieces onto some thin cardboard, and you can reuse those templates over and over. This is decorative mesh, and you can use these a lot in creating wreaths. And I was looking for a nice shade of green for some Christmas projects. They didn't quite have enough green out. They didn't have a lot of the mesh out yet. So I bought two of the red, but I also bought two of these red, white, and blue patriotic ones. And I did make a wreath using these. So if you're interested in future projects for the different seasons, look for this red, white, and blue. Also, if you're in the Dollar Tree and you want to make wreaths, Look for the red and the green and the fall colors now because they will go very fast. Now these are the wreath forms and they look like they just got in a nice supply of them. So I purchased 4 of them. Now these were a little different than what I've purchased in the past from Dollar Tree. Usually they're the black or kind of a dark green color. This time they also had them in this kind of gold and also they had it in gray. This wreath here has got Christmas fabric all over it, and these are called rag wreaths. But you can also get this smaller wreath. It looks just like this, except it's much smaller. I didn't notice any this size this last time when I was in, but they also had a football shaped one. So if you'd like to do a lot of little sports themes party, look for that football shaped one. I like to buy a lot of artificial flowers and foliage because I use them a lot around my house. I live in the desert. We don't really have a lot of flowers here. So if you want something really pretty around your house, you buy things that are artificial. And so I usually buy a lot of these, but the ones I've been using year after year are looking kind of tired. And so I was really happy when I walked in Dollar Tree and they were really stocked up in all of this fall foliage. So you can do a lot with these to decorate your home for the fall. Now remember, when I was in Dollar Tree, they didn't have a lot of fall items out. But as we get closer to the fall season, you're going to start seeing more. Now, this was something I bought last year in Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you start looking for these type of items. This little wire beaded, whatever it's called, was just wrapped around it. This was also from Dollar Tree last year. They'll probably have something like it this year. You know those artificial flowers? All I am doing is sticking them in little vases like this. I'm also going to show you something else I bought last year at Dollar Tree, and I'm hoping they have these again. These little cast of characters were just so adorable, I couldn't resist them. But the problem with them is that they didn't stand up straight, they kept falling over. So I added this little base and put some fall leaves in between this little character and the little base. So look for items like this for fall, and I do have a tutorial on how to put the little base on it if they're not standing up straight. Dollar Tree also carries wire ribbon. Now I got these last year, but again, start looking for these so that if you think you're going to be using something like this, you can get it now before they run out. Remember, the supply chain lately hasn't been all that great, so you need to start now getting everything in order for the fall and Christmas season. Well, I hope you enjoyed my little shopping experience with me. And this little turkey, I am definitely going to use this as a template in one of my tutorials. Now, if you're interested in seeing other beginners sewing projects or some fall ideas, check below your YouTube screen for the video links. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.